Have you ever seen glasses in your dream? You know that moment when you put them on and suddenly everything becomes clear? Well, dreaming about glasses can be a sign that you're starting to see certain things in your life more clearly. But what exactly does this dream mean? What emotions or realizations is it reflecting? Let's take a closer look together. Dreaming about glasses is often connected to how you view life, how you interpret situations, and your level of awareness. Glasses are tools that help us see more clearly. So in dreams, they usually represent a desire to understand the details of your life better, to see the truth more clearly, or to pay closer attention to something. In some cases, this dream might be a reminder that you're viewing something from the wrong perspective or making shallow judgments. The color, condition, or ownership of the glasses can also add deeper meaning to the dream. Wearing glasses in a dream usually means you're becoming more conscious and aware of things around you. It shows that you're ready to see the bigger picture, notice the small details, and make clearer, wiser decisions. It can also symbolize a rise in self-awareness or the uncovering of truths that you hadn't noticed before. The dreamer may be in a period of life where they're seeking clarity and understanding. Losing your glasses in a dream suggests confusion or misunderstanding. It might mean you're having a hard time fully grasping a situation, or that you're seeing things from the wrong angle. It can also point to distraction, that you might be missing important details. This kind of dream often sends a message like, slow down and refocus. Sometimes it also reflects a temporary loss of confidence. Broken glasses usually mean your perspective has been shaken. Maybe something you believed in is changing, or you're realizing things aren't exactly as you thought. This dream can also represent misunderstandings in communication, like not being fully understood or not expressing yourself clearly. Buying new glasses symbolizes a fresh start or a new perspective. It shows that you're beginning to think differently or entering a new phase where your understanding is expanding. New glasses can also represent learning and growth. Maybe a new idea, experience, or environment is helping you evolve. Wearing someone else's glasses means you're trying to understand things from another person's point of view. It can show that you're being empathetic or open to how others see the world. On the flip side, it could suggest you're being overly influenced by other people's opinions. Still, it often reflects growth in empathy and emotional intelligence. Cleaning glasses represents mental clarity, clearing away confusion, correcting misunderstandings, or finding answers to questions that have been bothering you. It's a sign that things that once felt uncertain are becoming clearer, and that you're finding inner balance and peace. Dreaming of seeing without glasses or taking them off means you're starting to trust your own perspective. It's like saying, I can finally see things for myself. It shows self-confidence and independence, that you're no longer relying on others to define your reality. Sunglasses usually represent protection. Maybe you're trying to shield yourself emotionally or hide what you truly feel. They can also point to self-awareness about your image or how you're perceived. But this dream can also warn against being overly cautious and missing opportunities because of it. Colored glasses symbolize creativity and the ability to see things from unique perspectives. People who have this dream are often imaginative and insightful. It can also mean you're viewing life through an emotional or idealistic lens, seeing the world not as it is, but as you feel it. Positively, it reflects optimism and inner richness. Seeing another person wearing glasses means you recognize that person views things differently from you. It shows your awareness of others' perspectives and your effort to understand them. Sometimes, it also signals a message or lesson that person might bring into your life. When the glasses prescription changes, it symbolizes a shift in perspective. Maybe your mindset or understanding of something has evolved. It often means personal growth, clarity, and the ability to adapt to new insights. If you're having trouble putting on glasses, it suggests difficulty accepting or understanding a situation. You might be facing a truth you're not ready to acknowledge yet. It can also represent resistance to change, struggling to adjust to a new way of seeing things. Giving glasses to someone symbolizes sharing your wisdom or experience. It shows that you're trying to help, guide, or offer clarity to others. It can reflect generosity and support, but sometimes it's also a reminder not to be overly involved in other people's choices. Finding glasses means discovering something you hadn't seen before, a truth, a hidden detail, or a new opportunity. It represents insight, realization, and mental clarity. It can also mean that you're about to uncover valuable information or finally understand something that's been confusing you. Trying on glasses shows that you're exploring options and evaluating situations carefully before making a decision. It's a sign of patience and thoughtful consideration. This dream also represents personal growth, testing new ideas, experimenting with perspectives, and finding what feels right for you. Dreaming about glasses is mostly about awareness and understanding. It means you're learning to think more clearly and evaluate things more wisely. It's like a mental reset. Over time, the things that feel blurry will start to make sense. Sometimes, you just need to pause and reflect to see life more clearly, like wiping a foggy window and finally seeing the view again. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.